Payment of Wages Act 1936. Objective of the Act. The Payment of Wages Act 1936 regulates payment of wages to employees, direct and indirect. The Act is intended to be a remedy against unauthorized deductions made by the employer or unjustified delay in payment of wages. All employees are covered under the Act. Those are drawing average wages as $10,000 per month. Applicability of the Act. The Payment of Wages Act 1936 is applicable to all factories, industrial establishment, tramway service, or motor transport service engaged in carrying passengers or goods both by road for hire or reward, air transport service, dock, wharf or jetty, inland vessel, machinically propelled, mines, quarry or oil field, plantation, workshop or other establishment, etc. Meaning of wages. Wages means all remuneration expressed in terms of money and include remuneration payable under any award or settlement, overtime wages, wages for holiday and any sum payable on termination of employment. However, it does not include bonus which does not form part of remuneration payable, value of house accommodation, contribution to PF ESI, traveling allowance or payment of gratuity. Section 2B. Guidelines at Wages Act. Time of wages payment. Or if the employee strength is less than 1,000 in any organization, then wages shall be paid before the expiry of the 70th day of the following month. Or if the employee strength is more than 1,000 in any organization, then wages shall be paid before the expiry of the 10th day of the following month. Or in case of termination of employment by the employer, the wages shall be paid before the expiry of the second working day from the date of termination. Deduction from wages. The maximum deduction can be 50% of monthly wages. However, maximum deduction up to 75% is permissible if deduction is partly made for payment to cooperative society. Section 71. Deduction on account of absence of duty, fines, house accommodation if provided by organization, recovery of advance loans given, income tax, PF ESI contribution, LIC premium, immunities provided. Deduction by order of court etc. is permitted. Salary deduction of fines. The maximum deduction as fines from wages should not exceed 3% during the same wage period. It should be recovered within 90 days from the date it was imposed. Record of fines should be maintained in Fine Register, Form 2. Guidelines at Wages Act. Mode of wages payment. A. All wages shall be paid in current coins or currency notes or in both. A. Employer can also pay the wages either by check or by crediting the wages in employee's bank account with employee's authorization in written. A. Wages can be paid on daily, weekly, fortnightly or monthly basis, but wage period cannot be more than a month. Most organizations preferred monthly payment basis. Records maintenance. The employer has to